Hello class 10. So here I am with another video. So our today's topic is what if analysis. So actually it is a process in which you make changes in the values to check that what will be the effect of those changes in the outcome of formulas on worksheet is called what if analysis. So what if analysis has three tools: scenarios, goal seek and solver. Today we will cover scenarios and you will do this one in practical also. So scenarios are a tool to test what if, that is questions use tools. So scenarios to enter variable contains scenarios in the same cell. Each scenario is named and can be edited and formatted. Suppose, for example, if you wanted to calculate different interest rates on an investment, you could add a scenario for each interest rate and quickly you can view the result also. So what if scenarios helps in create a model where changes made in the values are reflected in the outcome. So you have to follow these steps to get your result. So now let's move to the practical. So here I am created some data. As you can see in your screen, let me adjust. Okay, scenario manager. You can see a data I have created. So ABC, it is a construction company. You can give any company name, and this company's goal was to make a room. So the per expenses you can see here, brick cost 30,000, cement cost 40,000, sand 20, iron. So these are the cost and the total expenses. So let me show how to. So if you wanted to calculate, so you have to go to the auto sum. So it will calculate automatically. So now you can see the total expenses is 155,000. So now this company wanted to make another one room. So there will be possible the brick prices may increase or decrease also. So I will show to you both like minimum and maximum. So maximum expenses and minimum. So you have to click add scenario. So write the name add scenario. Write the minimum. So minimum 30,000. So you can write here 20,000. And in place of 40,000 there is cement. So you can write 30. So you have to do less like minimum. Now add one more. So now your scenario will be maximum. So max max. So now in place of 30,000 just write 50. That means you have to increase the expenses, you have to increase here. So you can compare the scenario of minimum, maximum and the current expenses. So okay, after completing this, now you can see here minimum. If you double click, you can see the minimum and total expenses and maximum total expenses. So you have to click on summary. So after clicking summary, you can see scenario summary appear. So you have to click scenario summary and OK. Now you can compare current values, maximum and minimum values. So your current value is 235000 and minimum is 11